race with my friends Jay. See if you can chase. Why do you think so? Because I love to swim so. This day is a perfect day to swim and race with my friend Ray. I love to swim, so this day's a perfect day. I will win this time, I pray. Well done, you little boy. You knew it and you did it right. This time you won the race. I can see the joy on your face. Ew, look at Dad's car. It's so dirty. Oh yeah, let's help Dad by cleaning it up. Wash our car, wash our car, wash our car, wash our car. Spray some water, spray some water, spray some water, spray some water. Scrub some soap, scrub some soap, scrub some soap, scrub some soap.